morning, students. We have seen methods of preparation of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Today, we will consider last method, that is by Hofmann degradation reaction. This is also called as Hofmann rearrangement reaction. This is also known as Hofmann bromamide synthesis. Hofmann bromamide degradation. Hofmann bromamide degradation, or this is also known as step down reaction. Here, when amide, this is acetamide. This is acetamide. When acetamide is heated with bromine in presence of aqueous KOH, then it gives methylamine. That means during this reaction, one carbon is removed. In the sense, one carbon is degraded, and therefore it is known as degradation reaction. This is also known as step down reaction. This is because in starting compound there are two carbon atoms, while in product there is only one carbon atom. So carbon number is decreases, and hence it is known as step down reaction, or it is known as degradation reaction. Another example, this is benzamide. Name of this compound is benzamide. When this benzamide is treated with bromine in presence of 4KOH, aqueous KOH as a solvent, when it is heated, then this CO is removed and we get aromatic amine, that is aniline. This is aniline plus 2 KBr plus K2CO3 plus 2H2. So we can prepare primary amine only. So by using this reaction, we get primary amine. This is very important part. Next point is physical properties. In this physical properties, first point is boiling point. As you know that boiling point is a constant temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Here, amines are having higher boiling point as compared to other compounds with corresponding mass, molar mass. Here, boiling point of amine is higher. This is because in amines, NH2 group is there. Here, this is polar one. When it associates or when it mixes with same compound, then due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, they are associated together, which require more temperature to separate them. That means they are having higher boiling point. Temperature required to convert this liquid into vapors is high, and hence it is having higher boiling point. This boiling point is explained as primary amine is greater than secondary amine is greater than tertiary amine. Means primary amines are having higher boiling point as compared to secondary amine, while tertiary amines are having lower boiling point. This is because in tertiary amine hydrogen is absent. But in tertiary amine, this is having such type of CN bonds, and this CN bond is polar bond, and hence it has some polarity. And as you know that polar molecules are having some higher boiling point as compared to non-polar. Here, this tertiary amine is having higher boiling point than other non-polar compound, that is alkane, but they are having lower boiling point as compared to primary and secondary amine. Okay, so remember this point. Then next point is lower amines are gaseous in nature. Middle amines are liquid in state, and higher amines are solid in state. So this is again important point that explain boiling point of amines. The next point is solubility. Solubility is expressed in terms of whether it is water soluble or insoluble. Amines are soluble in water. That means these are water soluble compounds. This solubility of amine is expressed in terms of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So if we consider this RNH2 in water, then this is having intermolecular hydrogen bonding between hydrogen and oxygen. Hence, due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, this amine is hydrated, or we can say solubilized, and therefore these are soluble in water. Remember that solubility decreases as molar mass of amine increases. Means lower amines are more soluble in water, while higher amines are less soluble in water. So this is very important, that if question is asked solubility of amines or boiling point of amines, then you have to explain this in terms of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. As this OH is more polar than NH2 group, therefore these alcohols are having higher boiling point as compared to amine, which is higher boiling point as compared to alkane. Means alcohols are having higher boiling point than amines, which are having higher boiling point than alkane. So if question is asked for CET or JE, then you have to write this answer. So this is about methods of preparation and physical properties of amines.